Hello and welcome to the 6th module of Mastering Engineering Drawing, Foundations to Expertise. This tutorial will demonstrate construction of plane scale. Previously, we discussed scales and their vital role in engineering drawing. We went over representative fractions and introduced different types of scales. Now, let's proceed to the construction of a plane scale. In this module, we will learn how to construct a plane scale based on the following problem. Construct a scale of 1:60 to show meters and decimeters and long enough to measure up to 6 meters. Also, mark a distance of 3.7 meters on the scale. To accomplish this, we will follow 3 key stages. 1. Calculating the drawing length of the scale. 2. Preparing the layout of the scale. 3. Applying the scale to mark the given distance. By mastering this technique, you will represent measurements quickly and accurately, a vital skill in engineering drawing. Understanding plane scales prepares you to tackle technical drawings with confidence. Let's begin. Let's start by calculating the drawing length first. This is determined using the representative fraction, which is given by the formula, representative fraction equals drawing length divided by actual length. The given scale ratio is 1:60, meaning 1 units on the drawing represents 60 units in reality. Since the scale needs to measure up to 6 meters, we convert this distance into centimeters for convenience. So, the required drawing length is 10 centimeters. Now, let's prepare the layout of the plane scale step by step. Start by drawing a baseline, AB, that is 10 centimeters long to represent a scale of 6 meters. Then, divide the baseline into 6 equal parts, with each part representing 1 meter. And label them accordingly, as shown. Next, let's focus on the smaller divisions. Take the first section labeled A0 and divide it into 10 equal parts. Each of these will represent a decimeter, helping us measure distances in smaller units. And label them accordingly, as shown. Now, complete the rectangle ABCD, finalizing the layout of the plane scale. With this construction, we have successfully created a plane scale capable of measuring distances in meters and decimeters with accuracy. Now that the scale is fully constructed, let's apply it to mark a specific distance. To mark a length of 3.7 meters on the scale, move to the 3-meter mark on the right side of the 0 point. Then, from the 0 point, count 7 decimeters on the left side. With this, the distance has been accurately marked on the plane scale, demonstrating its capability for precise and detailed measurements. Now, to further strengthen your understanding, here are some additional exercises you can try. By practicing these exercises, you will reinforce your understanding of plane scale construction. Give them a try, and we will provide the solutions in the next module. Up next, we will explore the construction of a diagonal scale, a tool that enables even finer and more precise measurements than a plane scale, enhancing accuracy in technical drawings. Thanks for watching, keep progressing through the series and stay tuned for more.